Hi, this is Bobby Hester. In this clip we'll be demonstrating how to cope in base on a 90-degree corner with a miter saw and a coping saw. When you're coping in base, it really allows you to get a super tight corner. Even if your walls are off a little bit, so let's say that it's a 95 degree or a 80 degree. If you were cutting your miters, you would have to adjust until you find your right angle where your corner lines up. If you cope your material, it's a little more time intense to make the cut, but it fits every time just perfect. So our first step would be to get our base, cut it to length, and install it on the wall. But you wouldn't cut anything but you'd only have a straight cut on one side. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece so that the detail, the profile will match that and it'll fit in perfectly. The way that we achieve that is this stays straight and we cut a 45 just like we would on a normal corner. So this is a coping saw. And I'll just follow this line all the way down. Okay, and there we have it. I've coped out that profile, and you can see the angle matches. Got our piece here and perfect fit. And it doesn't matter, the angle can be off either direction, you still end up with a really good joint. So if your walls are slightly out of square, you're still going to have a perfect match right there.